Hey you guys, welcome to Mike Reed Outdoors. God bless each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. Guys, today I'm out here hiking in the Wolf Creek Mountain. And it's been raining pretty much. So I decided, guys, to find me a dry spot here under a rock and make me some breakfast. So what I'm having here today, guys, is oatmeal. Powdered oatmeal, easy to fix. For a drink, guys, I'm going to have chaga. Right there, after I eat my oatmeal, I'm going to make me some chaga coffee. I love chaga. It don't have any caffeine in it. So when you drink it, it doesn't make you urinate and get rid of your fluid that's in your body. Also, I'm adding dried apples, guys, to this oatmeal. Get a chunk or two of those in there, and that'll sweeten it up really good. But I'm just out here hiking as usual. It's starting to come down pretty good out there, so I found this rock overhang here to hang out under here for a while to see how this weather is going to actually do. Don't want to get too wet, so let's see what happens for a little while. Nothing like a hot meal, you guys, on a cold, wet day like this. Now, some people might ask, you know, why you get out there in them mountains and hike and just go through the brush like that all the time. Guys, I am studying the game. We have a problem out here in the east of there being a lot less game than there used to be. I'm not hunting today. I'm out here exploring, looking for what the game is trying to eat and trying to find to eat. And the only thing I can see right now, guys, is they're browsing on little old stubs of laurel and everything else. But to learn about that kind of stuff, you got to get out here in the mountains and look for it. That way you'll understand the habits of an animal when there's nothing for them to eat out here in the woods. Okay guys, to get the best benefit out of your chaga, bring your water to a boil. As soon as that water starts to boil, drop your chaga in and then cut it off. Cut your fire off and let it steep just like you do any other coffee, guys. It doesn't take long to make chaga coffee out here in the field, you all. And one thing about that little piece that I just stuck in there, you can cook this down, guys, multiple times. I could probably cook me at least 20 cups of chaga coffee out here in the field out of that one piece. Then I'll save it for fire making purposes. In emergencies, I'll use it as a fire starter. And the rain is coming down out there. Boy, I'm glad I found this place to. Oh man, talking about being able to sleep, you guys. Finding a warm place, dry place like this. I've got chaga coffee. Man, that stuff is good. The rain is coming down. I think I'm just going to curl up here and take myself a nap. Thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year. And always, God bless you all.